Hello, welcome to our channel Learning Fun Zone. My name is Harshada and let us start with today's video.
Hello and welcome everyone to Learning Fun Zone and welcome back to our Scratch programming series for kids. Today we have a fun and exciting project lined up for you. We are going to learn how to make a catch game in Scratch. So grab up your creativity hats and let's get started. Start a new project. Now the first step is to create a character or object that will catch the following objects. So you can choose any sprite you like from the Scratch library or even import your own. So let's select a sprite that matches the theme of our game. You can choose anything from here. For now I'll choose a ball for our catch. Choose a backdrop. I'll select jungle. To write with the arrow keys. So let us drag the if keys. If the right arrow is pressed, we want it to change x by 10. And we will add a condition. Whenever if condition, if then block is to add a condition, like if the right arrow is pressed, then it will move to the right side. And we will need a forever loop for that, so it should check all the time throughout our game. And similarly, we can duplicate this code and the left side. So whenever we are clicking on the left side, we want it to change. We want the x-axis to change by negative, so we'll move to the left. So it is right. We will add and green flag is. This is our block to move side to side. Let's try to run this. When I'm clicking the right arrow, it is moving to the right. The left arrow, it is left. Perfect. Now let us take another sprite that will keep falling. We can take anything from here. For now, I will take this apple. Use the size a bit. I want this apple to start from any random position. So let us go to random position. So it is starting from anywhere, right? But we want it to start falling from any random position, but from the top, so that we will catch it. So we want the y coordinate of that to something like 180. Set y. We have this set y to 181. And we will events when the green flag is clicked. So whenever the green flag is clicked, try to run this. So it is starting from any random position, but it is starting from the top. That is what we want. Want the apple to fall down slowly. So let's go to position. Let us go to motion. We will change Y. So whenever we are clicking on change Y by -5, it is falling slowly downward. Let us go to control and add a forever loop. So it will keep on falling. But when it is reaching downwards, it is getting stuck. Now we want the apple to start again from the starting position when it is coming down, right? So we want to check condition of Y position. Maybe it should be less than -170, around 170, because here it is, when it is starting at 180, the top, it is coming near around 170 position and the down. Now we have to check one condition, that it should reach the bottom of the, when it should reach the ground, it should again start from the beginning, right? So let us check that condition. Less than block. Y position is -170. We want the same code basically to come here. Duplicate this. So let us add when green flag is, whenever will start, we'll go on checking. Whenever it is coming to -170 and below that, it is again starting from the random position at Y is equal to 180. Whenever the apple is touching the ball, we want the ball to collect it, and then the apple should again start falling from the sky. So take some if then block, and we want the condition of the apple touching the ball. So we have it in the sensing. If we go, the sensing, we will add touching ball, and we again want the same code, that we want this particular code for going upwards, and we will add a forever loop. And event is when green flag is clicked. Whenever it is touching the ball, we want it to go back to the sky. And we can add some sound also. So we'll add a sound that touching the ball. We want to change the sound. Now let us try to run this. Keep a track of how many apples we are collecting. So we can add variable codes. Let us change the score by 1 when we collect it. And let us keep it 0 when we are starting the game. So that's our catch game. So try to run. Score is increasing when we are catching. Whenever we restart it, it should start again. Fantastic job! So you have just learned how to create a catch game in Scratch. Now it's your turn to get creative and customize this game. You can choose different sprites, backgrounds, and even come up with your own theme. The possibilities are endless. So have fun coding and catch you in the next video. That's it for today's Scratch programming tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun coding adventures. And as always, happy coding!